In today's video, I am going to teach you how to play Dinosaur game in Google Chrome when offline. 2019 vertical bar and no internet connection. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser is open, try to visit any website. If your device is offline or your connection is unavailable, Chrome will load the no internet screen instead of the web page. On that page, you will see a small pixel-style dinosaur, also known as the Chrome Dino or T-Rex. That dinosaur is the game. It appears right on the error page, so there is nothing extra to install and nothing special you need to download. As soon as the no internet page is visible, you are already at the place where the game can begin. To start playing, you have two easy options. You can click directly on the dinosaur with your mouse, or you can press the spacebar on your keyboard. Either action will launch the game immediately. The dinosaur will begin moving forward, and the game starts from there. If you are using the keyboard, pressing the spacebar is usually the quickest and easiest method. It is simple, fast, and works well if you are already focused on the screen. If you prefer using the mouse, clicking the dinosaur does the same thing and gets the game started just as easily. The main thing to remember is that this game only appears when Chrome shows the no internet error page. So if you do not see the dinosaur, make sure Chrome is open and that you are trying to load a web page while offline. That covers everything you need to know.